Hi everyone, you're listening to Sukriti and this video is about 5 dimensions of a grain boundary. Now when you think about a grain boundary, a plane comes to your mind. So how come a grain boundary has 5 dimensions? To understand this, think about where the grain boundary is. A grain boundary is definitely a plane, but it exists between two grains. Grain 1 on your left side and grain 2 on your right side. Now as you can see, the unit cells of grain 1 and grain 2 are misoriented with respect to each other and the grain boundary plane exists between these two grains. So we are looking at two things. One is the grain boundary plane normal vector and second is the misorientation between the coordinate axis system of two grains. Grain 1 coordinate axis system as you can see on the left side and grain 2 coordinate axis system as you can see on the right side. So, we need variables to represent these two things. One is the coordinate axis system misorientation. Now that misorientation is itself a very deep subject, but what it basically entails is how you need three angles to convert any vector in coordinate axis system of grain 1 to coordinate axis system of grain 2. The other thing is the normal vector. Now as we know, it's in the spherical orientation space, so it's represented by two angles, one that it makes with the z-axis and the other that its projection on the xy plane makes with the x-axis. So there we have 5 dimensions of a grain boundary.